Previously on Mr. Cool. Hello, Mr. Cool. Sorry for interrupting you folks. It was a mistake. What are you doing here? Oh, Mr. Cool. The world needs you, Mr. Cool. But I'm just a silly goofball who broke some laws and stuff. I think you know why you needed, pal. The world is dying. What can a silly goofball like me do about it? Who's your new friend here, Mr. Cool? Are you a friend or an enemy of Mr. Cool? We're his friends. Okay, hear me out. I will do it again if... I will do it again if you don't kill my new friends. Because my new friends are my new friends, and I'm gonna write an album about them one day. They're my best friends in the whole world. Louise! Oh, I'm sorry, I misclicked. Fine, I'll still do it. So I began training for music. To save the world with a song.
Oh yeah, Mr. Cool. Go, faster than a plane, a terrifying lion. A rich like a train, he's hot and I'm a blind.
Here's Mr. Cool.
I'm pulling you wine, I'm twisting your words, I'm smashing your lady and I'm flying with the birds.
Here's Mr. Cool.
Cool sunglasses, that's a summer time. The swag gold chain, no warning, no signs. Just with Mary and a sexy girlfriend arrive. Eventually they open their cries. I think I know why you love me, cause I'm Mr. Cool. I think I know why you love me, cause I'm Mr. Cool. I think I know everything, it's cause I'm Mr. Cool. I think I'm back in business cause I'm Mr. Cool. Grab the label, accept me because I'm Mr. Cool.
And the world would be saved if I could get it published. Let's talk about your song. Okie doke. Well, I did it with my bandmate Dexter and I met him in training. This song blows. What the hell do you mean? This sucks big willy. Language, please. Sucks huge willy. Like the biggest I've ever seen in my life. I've been here for a long time and I've never seen a willy that big. This song could save the world. I don't care. Listen, mate. This song won't save the world. It won't even save your public image. You've got skill, but I hope we don't meet again. Okay. Okie doke. I just got rejected from a record label. You've got skill, but I hope we don't meet again. Okay. Okie doke. That's great, you've got skill, but I hope we don't meet again.
Okay, okie doke.